Meguiar'S wash and wax. Really worth the money. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Boosted 931. You know we got the turbo car back. Well, the car's dirty, so I'm gonna figure out, is this Meguiar'S wash and wax really worth the money? We're gonna test that out today. This is it, Meguiar'S. Let's get busy. Show you how dirty this thing is, though. You can see all the, I don't know how good that's coming through, but it is filthy. It is nasty. Get this thing cleaned up. Got smear marks all over it. This car is going to the paint shop this weekend. It's going to be painted Destroyer Gray, so we're going to clean it up first and get it on the way. Let's see how good this stuff works. Get the top off. I don't know, everybody has their own way of doing it, but this is how I like to do it. I like to get good soap, so I fill the bottom like that. Get it nice and soapy. Yeah, like that. Then I'm gonna spray the car down. And then get to washing. So I'm gonna set the camera down and get to busy. see how good of a job this stuff does. You can tell it's already beating. Look at it beating off. And this car has not been waxed yet, so I would say it's really well. Looking really good. I like the whole beating. I love how it's beating off. So far I like it. This is the Meguiar's again. Like I said, I always go over it twice just to make sure. Didn't miss anything. Got the windshield done. Now I go to the front bumper. Again, this is Meguiar's Wash and Wax. I like how it does on the wheels too. If you can see, it's already beating really well on the wheels. So far I really like this stuff. I'll show y'all the bottle again here in a second. Got a kink in my hose. Look at that beat off. Wow, I like this stuff. I need to get a foam cannon next though. I really want a foam cannon. Yes, the car is very clean right now, so I'm gonna have to give a good review on this wash and wax. Everything looks good. There it is, guys. You gotta dry it off still. I'll give you a shot here in a second after it's dry. Really gotten it dry yet, but be the judge yourself. The stuff works well. Car is clean. Once I finish drying it off, it's gonna be even better, but I like that stuff, the way it suds up and everything. I'm gonna have to give a 10 out of 10 on this. But you know, anything Meguiar's usually is really well in my opinion. I like anything Meguiar's, but this is it. Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax with hydrophobic polymer technology. A lot of big words there. Clear coat safe, has carburetor and synthetic technology. Leaves a deep glossy just wax shine. That's it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna give a 10 out of 10 on the Meguiar's wash. Got the car cleaned up, getting ready to go to the paint booth. So this is the stuff I will be using on the car once I get it back. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you ain't subscribed, go subscribe. We got more of this beast right here, which by the way is 1200 rear wheel horsepower only.